For a look at the latest in gold trading, let's go to the NYMEX and Tom Vitello of Aurum Options Strategies. Tom, we did see a bit of a bounce to start the week Monday on that China stock rout. How are things looking today and for the rest of the week, would you say?
Well, you know, it's quieted down a bit. I think you had a lot of shorts in the market, so the bounce was, I guess, not something we wouldn't expect. The market's come down now $100 in a short period of time, and the market is dominated by shorts. So we're not seeing the collapses that we saw in 2013 because there was a big overhang of longs. Now the market is quite the opposite. So although I still think the market can go lower, I don't think we're going to get that real collapse that happens, let's say, in one day.
So when we look at a chart of gold, we know we're near 5-year lows. What levels are you eyeing at the moment?
Well, you know, we have the low that's in place, but you know, Goldman had put out that 1050 number way back in 2013, and you have a lot of technical factors here. This is a 50% retracement of the whole bull move. So how it reacts here is very important. 1050 is a big number. When the market rallied from $700 in 2008, it hit 1,030 like 2 or 3 times. So that's another level. So this area in the low 1,000s is very big. If it breaks 1,000, I mean, all bets are off. You'll have a lot of old longs who are underwater, maybe taking another look, and they may bail. But this is a big level right here, 1050, I would say.
HSBC, the latest to lower gold price forecast for this year and next year. Some of the citings in that report was a drift toward Fed tightening, low inflation, strong dollar. That's really what's behind some of what we're seeing now, isn't it?
Sure, it's priced in already, I think, though. That's the issue, and everybody's kind of on board. So you have a big overweight short position in the market in terms of the funds. So it's going to be a little bit difficult. At some point, you know, who's going to sell it? So I guess as you get below these levels, the new levels here, more new lows, you know, you have some producers that are really kind of in some pain. Maybe not so much in Canada because of the weak Canadian dollar, but more on the U.S. side, I guess, because of the strong U.S. dollar.
And Tom, what are you seeing today in terms of volume compared to yesterday?
Oh, it's quiet. It's quieted down. Again, you know, the move had happened already, and you know, this is kind of the place where we're settling in, maybe to try to establish a new range, maybe 1050 to 11. You know, 1130. I feel that if the market rallies, we'll get to that level, and it's nothing too spectacular. It's basically just a support level we had on the way down, so that becomes resistance on the way up.
Tom Vitello, great to talk to you. Thanks so much.
Anytime.
I'm Rhonda Schaffler for TheStreet.